Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we will install Apache Kafka in our Mac OS. So the first thing we need to go here is we are need to search for Apache Kafka in our command line, and here we will have download link. So from this one it will list a latest one. So if I click here, it will go here, and I need to pick the latest version. And I have the choice for EU or US, whatever we need. Then just click on that, it will download. I already downloaded that one. And what we will do next is we need to create a folder. In my case, I already created tools folder. In tools, I have Kafka. So I paste everything here. So I need to extract this one and I paste everything here. So that's all about the download. There is no installation, and the next thing that I need to do is I need to I need to open this using uh, my terminal. So I am going to my tools Kafka, and the first thing that I am going to do is I need to run my zookeeper. So if I mm, went to if I am going to the Kafka architecture file type PDF or something, I can see how it's written. So it will give you something like how it will how these things will work, because we have two servers. One is zookeeper and one is Kafka. So basically how this whole structure will work. Zookeeper is the centralized place where it will control everything, and it's include Kafka also. So first we need to do is we need to start the zookeeper. After that only we will do the remaining things. So how we will do that? So in my case I already installed this one. Then what I need to do next is to start my zookeeper. Just start zookeeper. That will do the trick actually. So I'm just sh I started that one. Then what else I need to do again? I need to start my in another window. I need to start my Kafka server. So it's very straightforward approach, and I'm going to cd tools Kafka again, and here I'm starting that too. So everything works perfectly. So what I'm going to do next is I need to get another window and I need to do some testing here. So how I will test, I need to create a topic. That's the one that I need to do. So how I will create a topic is very easy. So if I'm going here, I need to make my necessary changes and I need to run this. Oh, okay. So actually I made some problems here. So I need to go to cd tools Kafka. Okay, so here I need to paste this one. Anyway, I need to change something because I'm running from shell. So I need this is actually for Windows. Right now, done. So actually I got something like no such file or directory. We all know that. What is the problem here? I need to go to the bin folder, then I need to execute this one. So I know it's create a topic Java in use topics. So okay, so that's way it works. So based on this one, we can create the consumer and producer. In next video, I will show that kind of things. So here we have some other things also, replication factors. What is replication factor? How we will give the URL, that kind of things. Before that, I will go to how we will install Docker as a container. So it's very easy if you need to run using container. So probably we will see that in my next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.